complete Medicare or Medicaid coverage, we have you covered with plans that have low or no copay, dental, vision, and prescription drug coverage. To speak to a healthcare specialist and get free professional assistance, press 1 now.
Hello, my name is Joseph. I'm calling with the Insurance Quote Direct. Would you be interested in getting a medical insurance quote?
Sure.
Can I get your first name and your age?
Russ, 52.
Do you currently have any medical insurance?
No.
And you're in the state of Texas?
Yes.
What would be your zip code?
75165.
This would be for an individual or a family plan?
An individual.
Individual. Okay. Well, with the information that you provided, we will be able to quote you. I'm going to pass you over to the agent who's going to give you the details of the plan. Before I do the transfer, I do want to release a disclosure in case the call disconnects. By saying yes, you agree to share this information with our partners and with the licensed agents in case they need to contact you via telephone or mobile device, even if the phone number is listed on a state, federal, or corporate do not call list. Can I still transfer you to the agent?
Yeah.
Thank you. Don't hang up and have a great day.
Thank you for calling the nation's leading enrollment center for multiple plans and products. Whether you're looking for a new policy, a better rate, or adding supplemental coverage to an existing plan, we have you covered.
So good afternoon, is this Russ?
Yeah.
Russ, my name is Mark. I'm at the Health Center for Affordable Care. I'll be your agent for you today. I understand you're seeking an individual medical plan, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, Russ, do you have medical coverage at this time?
No, I don't have it as of last week. I got injured on the job as a carousel repair person for a circus, and they fired me.
Okay. Tell me about your health. Do you have any pre-existing medical conditions?
Like long term or like just happened? The reason why I got fired as a carousel repair technician.
No, I mean, they want me to screen for melanoma, cancer, leukemia, cardiovascular disease, heart disease, diabetes type 1, those particular types of diseases.
You didn't mention alcoholism, did you? I got a little bit of a day drinking problem.
Well, I apologize, but the plans that we have here will not cover that. What circus did you work for by chance?
It was a small multi-state one. It wasn't.
Well,
so
you know what? Let me get you over to a specialist, and then maybe they can assist you further. Okay?
All right.
Stay on the line, okay? I'll get you over to somebody who can help me.
Okay.
Your call is being transferred to the next available agent. Thank you for calling the 2018 Enrollment Center. We are the nation's leading enrollment center for multiple plans and products. Our agents are licensed, trained, and specialize in finding you the right health plan at the right price. All you have to do is ask. You can be enrolled today before open enrollment to avoid any gaps in coverage. We are sorry for the delay, but your call is important to us, so don't hang up or lose your place in the queue. We will be with you momentarily.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. How you doing?
I'm all right. Well, I guess. How are you?
Good. All right, sir. So you're looking for health insurance?
Yeah, somebody put me on hold, told me to give a specialist. You a specialist?
A specialist, sir? I'm an insurance agent.
Where are you located out of?
Where are we located at? We're located out of Florida, sir.
Florida. You got a name for your organization?
Okay. A name for our organization, sir?
Yeah.
Are you... Yeah, I mean, sir, do you have insurance currently? Or?
No, I lost that like a week or so ago. From when I got terminated as a carousel repair technician in a small multi-state traveler's circus thing, and I got injured. They fired me. I got a we was working on, the carousels. They got the unicorns with the little kitties and everything like that to ride on them. Well, one of the unicorns wasn't going up and down, and so what happened is, I tagged it out, and I was over working on it, and I wanted to test it. One of my coworkers thought that, I guess the tag had fallen off or something like that, and so he wanted to troubleshoot too. He didn't see me working on it, so he went over and flipped the power switch on, and for whatever I'd done to fix it, the little unicorn started going up and down, so it crushed me back a little bit, and I'm kind of injured right now, and then when I try to go after them, then they fired me. So it's a long process, and it's tough finding a job in the industry, a carousel repair technician, because there ain't that many damn carousels out there. When's the last time you seen a carousel?
Probably the fair, sir.
Yeah, so
I'd say the fair, or maybe my local mall.
Yeah, so I mean,
the local mall would have some carousels. You should try the local mall. Now, let me ask you this, sir: do you have medical conditions at all?
besides the spinal injury that I have now from being crushed by a little unicorn, I spoke to one of your associates previously. I got a bit of a drinking problem. I guess you classify that as alcoholism. Other than that, just kind of a piss poor attitude right now about what's going on with my life. I don't know if that's a medical thing or whatever.
Okay. Well, sir, I'd suggest probably going to the marketplace then. Go to healthcare.gov.
All right.
Spinal injury with the alcoholism, that'd probably be your best bet at this point.
Okay.
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 All right.
All right.
All right, and have a good one.
You too.